Starting a new adventure later in life is one of the most rewarding things you can do. But stepping into the world of ATVs as a senior new rider can be intimidating. The machines look big, the controls seem complex, and the fear of making a costly or even dangerous mistake is real. The key isn't to avoid ATVs, it's to choose the right one. You don't need the most powerful or the most aggressive machine, you need the most forgiving, stable, and intuitive one. A machine that builds confidence, not tests it. A partner that feels secure, not scary. After evaluating for ease of use, predictable power, manageable size, comfort, and overall rider-friendly design, here are the 6 best ATVs for seniors who are new to the sport. Number 6. Honda 4Trax Rancher, the confidence builder. The Honda Rancher is the perfect classroom. Its genius for a new senior rider lies in its versatility and predictability. You can choose the electric shift program, ESP model, which gives you the control of a manual transmission without a clutch lever. Just push buttons on the handlebar to shift. This eliminates the physical effort and coordination of clutching, making it incredibly easy to learn on. It's powered by a famously reliable, torquey engine that delivers its power smoothly and predictably, not in a sudden surge. The riding position is upright and comfortable, and the machine has a neutral, stable feel that inspires confidence from the first ride. It's not overwhelming in size or power, but it's capable enough to take you on real adventures. The Rancher teaches you how to ride without ever fighting you. Number 5. Yamaha Kodiak 450, the effortless performer. For the new rider who values simplicity above all else, the Yamaha Kodiak 450 is a masterstroke. Its operation is brilliantly straightforward. The Ultramatic automatic transmission is seamless and requires zero input from you. Just twist and go. More importantly, it features true engine braking, which automatically helps control your speed on descents, a huge safety benefit that reduces anxiety on hills. It's physically a mid-size machine, making it easier to mount and dismount than a full-size behemoth. The power from its 450cc engine is ample but incredibly manageable, perfect for learning throttle control. With a low seat height, excellent suspension, and Yamaha's bulletproof reliability, the Kodiak 450 removes complexity and lets you solely focus on the joy of riding and exploring. Number 4. Polaris Sportsman 450 HO, the stable platform. The Polaris Sportsman 450 HO offers a unique combination of a smooth ride and incredibly accessible capability. Its standout feature for a new rider is the on-demand true all-wheel drive. When you need more traction on a damp trail, a grassy hill, or in loose gravel, you simply push a button. There's no guesswork, no struggling, just instant confidence. The independent rear suspension provides a remarkably comfortable and planted ride, soaking up bumps that would jolt you on a simpler machine. This reduces fatigue and increases stability. The controls are intuitive, the storage is abundant, and the power from the 450 HO engine is strong but not intimidating. It's a machine that makes you feel secure and capable from day one. Number 3. CF Moto C-Force 500, the modern value proposition. The C-Force 500 represents a fantastic way to get modern features that aid a new rider without the premium brand price tag. It comes standard with a full-color digital dash that is easy to read, showing you all your vital information at a glance. More importantly, it features electronic power steering as a standard or available option. This is a game changer. EPS dramatically reduces the steering effort, especially at low speeds or in tricky terrain, preventing arm fatigue and making the machine feel much lighter and more manageable. Its smooth twin-cylinder engine provides linear power, and the fully independent suspension offers a comfortable ride. For the senior new rider who appreciates a little modern assistance without overwhelming complexity, the C-Force 500 delivers exceptional value and a very user-friendly experience. Number 2. Suzuki King Quad 500, the refined veteran. The Suzuki King Quad 500 is the quiet, polished expert of the group. It has been refined over decades into one of the smoothest, most intuitive utility quads you can buy. Its transmission is buttery smooth, and its engine power delivery is exceptionally linear and predictable. There are no surprises. It excels in ergonomics. The seat is comfortable, the controls fall perfectly to hand, and the overall feel is balanced and neutral. It's exceptionally quiet, which adds to the serene, confident experience. For a new rider who wants a machine that feels mature, sophisticated, and utterly free of drama, the King Quad 500 is a timeless and excellent choice. It won't startle you, it will simply perform, flawlessly and quietly. Number 1. Yamaha Grizzly 700, the intelligent safeguard. Our top pick for a new senior rider is the Yamaha Grizzly 700. This may seem counterintuitive. It's a larger, more powerful machine, but its selection is about its unparalleled suite of intelligent safety and control features that actively protect and assist a new rider. First, the Ultramatic transmission with engine braking provides sublime control, especially on descents, where it acts as an automatic speed regulator. Second, the on-command 4WD system with differential lock is simple, reliable, and gives you ultimate traction confidence at the turn of a dial. Third, it offers the most comfortable, plush, and stable ride in its class, thanks to its fully independent suspension, isolating you from bumps and maintaining tire contact. It is the complete package. It has the power to do anything you'll ever ask of it, but it delivers that power with a smooth, manageable feel. Its advanced features aren't for show, they are functional safeguards that build confidence. You are not just learning to ride, you're learning on the most intelligent, forgiving, and capable platform available. The Grizzly 700 isn't just a machine, it's a patient, powerful, and supremely smart teacher. The philosophy of a smart start. Choosing one of these ATVs is about setting yourself up for success. They prioritize control over chaos, comfort over aggression, and predictability over peak performance. They are designed to minimize the physical and mental effort required to operate them, so you can expend your energy on enjoying the scenery, learning the trails, and building a wonderful new skill. Visit dealerships, sit on them, feel the controls. Choose the one that feels the least intimidating and the most inviting. Your adventure is waiting, and it starts with the right partner. One that empowers you, not challenges you. Welcome to the trail.